So good afternoon everybody, is from JC. I am from SMS College of Technology from the Department of Biomedical Engineering. I am going to take electric circuits and electronic devices, and the topic is what? Zener diode from the unit 4. Okay, this is what we are taking in the first year, second semester, okay, for AML students. Okay, let us see what I mean by Zener diode. Zener diode, let us see what I mean by Zener diode. Zener diode is also known as breakdown voltage, is a heavily doped semiconductor device that is designed to operate in the reverse direction. When the voltage across the terminals of the Zener diode is reversed and the potential reaches the new voltage, the junction breaks down and the current flows in the reverse direction. This effect is known as Zener effect. Okay. Next one is what? Zener diode. This is the symbol of Zener diode. This is what the symbol indicates that left side it is cross will come and the straight line, and again the backslash will come. Okay, so this indicates the symbol of the Zener diode along with the diode which is slightly reverse and forward direction of this straight line from the PN junction diode. That is what the symbol of the Zener diode. This is what the circuit of this in p-type diffusion. This is p-type diffusion is take, under this n diffusion is take. We know that SiO2 is plotted over this layer on the SiO2 and cathode is placed on this gate. Okay, this metallic layer is also formed as SiO2 and below it is formed as the anode. Okay, this is what the working principles of the Zener diode. Zener diode allows the electric current in forward direction like the normal diode, but allows electric current in the reverse direction if the applied reverse voltage is greater than the Zener voltage. Okay, so normally Zener diode allows the electric current in forward direction like the normal diode, but allows electric current in reverse direction if the applied reverse voltage is greater than the Zener voltage. Zener diode is always connected in reverse direction because it is specifically designed to work in reverse direction. Zener diode is highly doped, thus its depletion width is very thin due to more current flows through the Zener diode as compared to the normal junction diode. The Zener diode shows two breakdown approach and Zener diode and this avalanche breakdown. Okay, so let us see what I mean by avalanche breakdown. This is what the avalanche breakdown circuit. Here the p-type is formed, the p channel is formed in this left side and n channel is formed in the right side. So depletion region is formed in between the P and N region. So in the depletion region, since P attract the negative electrons and N electrons positive holes, this forms the depletion region. Okay, and we are giving this reverse bias direction, that is reverse voltage. Negative is connected to P type and positive is connected to N type. That is what the reverse biasing. Okay, so when the high reverse voltage is applied to the PN junction, the free electrons. When high reverse voltage is applied to the PN junction, the free electrons gains large amount of energy and accelerate to greater velocities. These electrons again accelerated and collide with other atoms. As a result, electric current at the diode increases rapidly. So avalanche breakdown occurs in Zener diode with a Zener voltage greater than 6 volt. If the avalanche breakdown occurs in Zener diode with a Zener voltage is greater than 6 volt, if it exceeds the 6 volt, this breakdown occurs. That is what this avalanche breakdown. Okay. Let us see what I mean by Zener breakdown. So Zener breakdown, the same voltage is applied, that is negative is connected to the PN and positive is connected to N type. This N channel form this minus and holes, this electrons and holes form the depletion region, the narrow depletion region. The Zener breakdown occurs in heavily doped PN junction because of narrow depletion regions. When reverse bias voltage is applied to the diode is increased, the narrow depletion region generates strong electric field. When reverse bias voltage is applied to the diode reaches to the Zener voltage, the electric field in the depletion region is strong enough to pull electrons from its valence band. At Zener breakdown region, the small increase in voltage will rapidly increase the electric current. So this is what the BA characteristics of the Zener diode. Germanium, silicon, and germanium is indicated by this red color and the silicon is indicated by this blue color. The left side is what? Reverse voltage and right side is what forward voltage, the top side is what forward current, and bottom side is what reverse current. Okay, this is what the VI characteristics of Zener diode. So this was a voltage regulator RS and RL. Regulating the voltage of the circuit is its ability to keep the output voltage fixed regardless of the variation in input voltage or load current. Until load voltage is less than the breakdown voltage, the Zener diode does not show conduction. As the load increases, then the breakdown voltage, the device now starts conduction in the breakdown region. Thus, at the breakdown region, a constant voltage is maintained. Okay. So, thank you all. Keep learning. Have a great day.